Hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Alright, welcome once again. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about our online classes, the DTW online classes. We have produced several students. We started our online classes last year, just last year. Okay, is it last year? It was early this year. Okay, we started last year, November 2023, and we did it all the way to exams this year. That's April 2024, and we produced more than 5 students that scored above 300. You can go see the testimonies flooding above 300, 250, 270, 280. Are you with me? We produce so many high top scoring students, so it is effective. Students say, Ama, they call me Ama, is it effective? Yes, it is effective. Let me tell you how it is effective. Okay, now it is live classes. It's on Google Meet. It's not just chat on WhatsApp, or you just be chatting. No. You will see your teachers live teaching you. Are you with me? Even if you miss class, we record those classes for you. We record that video, that live classes for you, and you have access to watch it. Apart from that, even during when exams are approaching, there's after classes, you enter again. There's brainstorming. You have timetable for classes, timetable for brainstorming sessions with also our teachers. Are you with me? Brainstorming through with the DTW CBT app, JAMB CBT app. Okay, so please join us. And there's a promo I'm doing for you now. The DTW year 2025 version is out, and it's 4,000 naira. If you don't want to attend the online classes, you just want to get the CBT app, fine, it's 4,000 naira. But if you're joining us this November 1st, if you're joining our classes, I'm going to give you at a discount of 3,000 naira. So what I'm doing is, every student, last year I made it, if you want to get the CBT app, fine. But no, I don't want that to happen this time. Every student that is going to be passing through DTW online classes must have the DTW JAMB CBT app, because I see it as an important, very necessary tool for you to get that high score that you want. And you can go and check. You will see what I'm talking about. Go and check. Go download it, search for DTW JAMB CBT app 2025 or 2024. You see it pop up. Check, download it freely, see the features, and you know that this would guarantee you to pass your exam. The features are just so sweet. I always refer to a very simple thing which solved the problem. Even when I was preparing for JAMB, you have to be flipping your past question, looking for question for a particular topic. With the DTW JAMB CBT app, you have a feature called question search. Just type your subject, type the topic. It would bring out everything from the database on that particular topic, and these questions and solutions, you see that you go through them and practice. That is what it does. You have timed practice. Put your first subject, time yourself continuously. Past questions from 1998 till date, you have them with their correct solutions. So your literature text, everything is there. Every subject is there. Yoruba, Hausa, French, every fine art, it is there. Geography, that you can, all those subjects that you can't find that past question, it is there. So please, I beg you, share with your friends, family, and loved ones. Okay, so you have to get that. So what I did is that your registration fee, normally, if you go for lessons, they will collect registration fee, and registration fee is to pocket. Is for the lesson people. But this is, I'm going to make it for the app. Okay, so you pay that 3,000 naira and 7,000 naira for the fee. Monthly lesson fee is 7,000 naira. Okay, but when you are coming in with us, okay, for this November only, the registration fee is 3,000. From December, it is 4,000. Are you with me? So students always ask me, so your first payment as a first-time student on the DTW online classes is 10,000 if you're starting with us in November, and you'll be given the DTW tutorials app, and that's JAMB CBT app, and you would be in our live classes. Okay, and each month from then on is 7,000 naira each month till definitely JAMB is always around April, all things being equal. No strike, no COVID, no whatever. So all things being equal, JAMB will be in April 2025. Definitely registration forms always come out first week of January, or second week of January, registration forms comes out. okay, and it takes like 1 month and some weeks for forms to be available, okay. And please don't forget, if you're a JAMB student, please make sure you go get your name now. No name, no JAMB. Please go get your name. I'm going to do a separate video on that, okay, to quickly, speak about that name so you don't make errors in doing that. All right, so come join us in our tutorials. I don't want this video to be quite long. Join us and you will not regret it. You will never regret it. Several testimonies. I'll leave the link. You will see it on TikTok. Testimonials of our students. Plenty. Go to our YouTube channel. Go to the comment section. Go and check. We are here. We are here for you. Okay, join our platform. Join the Facebook group. Very important. If you have any questions bothering you, registration, anything, your subject combination, please join the Facebook group. Drop your questions there. Join the WhatsApp channel also. There, I will be dropping every information. See, we are here for your education now. So everything, our TikTok, everything is education. Everything to prepare. Go and check our TikTok, our YouTube now. Everything now is materials. You are waking up, you are seeing material, so that you will be gingered. You will kick every laziness, we remove, we will leave your body. You will be gingered to study. We are here. I am here by God's grace to make sure you see this, your particular stage in life, you pass through it in flying colors and move on to university, and move on to university and move on towards your goal in life. Okay, so thank you. Make sure you join us our online classes. Please share this video. Let your friends know about these online classes. Okay, and is that yeah, that's all. Please do join. Start with us in November. As I said, there's a promo, 3,000 naira for the app and 7,000 naira for the lesson fee, so total of 10,000 if you join us 1st of November. And yeah, you will be with us. I always meet with my students, pray with them, seminars, encouraging them. I don't just drop you and you've paid and with your teachers. No. If you made that investment with DTW, wow. Well, I'm here for you by God's grace. I'm here. Just be rest assured. All right. Every fear that is in your life, it will be chased out by the power in the name of Jesus Christ. Okay. So you can do it. You are destined to win. Comment down, I am destined to win. Comment in this video, I am destined to win. Start saying it to yourself. Start believing it. Start having a vision of your score. You can make 300 and above. That's why I keep on speaking to them. You can make 300. And they made 300. Oh my God. I am so grateful, and I'm so grateful to God. All right, so please join this train. Join us now. All right, thank you. And finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. He is the way. He is the truth. He is the life. He's the one who's going to lead us to heaven at last and give us peace here on earth. Come to him today. You would never regret it. He would make you beautiful. He will make you new again. All right, come to him. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video. You are destined to win. Take care.